Hello everyone, I am at your service today by teaching you a delicious cheesecake without oven. So stay with me through the whole video. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press the little bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Ingredients: cream cheese 200 grams, cream 200 grams, biscuits 200 grams, sugar powder half of a cup, milk half of a cup, butter 100 grams, gelatin powder 4 tablespoons, vanilla half of the teaspoon, jelly powder 100 grams, seasonal fruits for decoration. First, I crush the biscuits. Then I crush them with a masher. Also, you could put the biscuits in the electric grinder and grind them. Then I add butter which has softened at room temperature to the biscuits and mix them together. Knead the biscuits until they are getting a dough form and completely mixed with the butter. I bring the mold and spread the biscuits on the bottom. Try to flatten the biscuits in the mold with your fingers. I put the mold in the freezer until the mixture becomes rigid. I turn on the gas and put the kettle on it and let the water inside the kettle boil. Then I mix the milk and gelatin powder with bain-marie method on the kettle. At this stage, you must be patient until the gelatin powder dissolves completely in the milk and the cream colored liquid is obtained. In the meantime, I mix the cream cheese, cream, vanilla, and sugar powder with the mixer to get a smooth mixture. Then I remove the mixture of milk and gelatin powder that has reached the desired concentration from the heat and add it to the cake mixture. And I immediately start stirring the ingredients with an electric mixer. Take the mold out of the freezer and pour the cheese mixture on the biscuits and smooth it with a whisk. the mold in the refrigerator to harden the cheese mixture. I dissolve the jelly powder in a glass of boiling water using the bain-marie method. Stir the mixture well until the jelly powder is completely dissolved in boiling water. Then I add a glass of ice water to the mixture and remove it from the heat. I take the cheesecake out of the refrigerator and pour 2/3 of the liquid jelly on the cheesecake. Then put the mold back in the fridge for at least half an hour so that the surface of jelly gets hardened. In the meantime, I cut the peaches. Time to separate the cherry kernels from the cherries. I take the mold out of the fridge and put the fruits on the jelly. Now I put the rest of the jelly liquid on the fruits and put the mold back in the refrigerator again. After 6 hours, our cheesecake is ready. It's really delicious. I hope you make this cheesecake and enjoy it a lot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that little bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Hope to meet you again.